What's up, dudes? Finally, the long weekend. I got 3 weeks off of work. Super long weekend. So we gotta get productive. Problem is, shop's a complete mess. Time to get to work. Maybe.
Yeah, partially still for these holes. What do you want to do? Lowered lifestyle, man. Lowered lifestyle, the good life. Okay, tuner, running. If I can move the wheel slowly.
Oh, it sounds like it's coming from the rack.
What?
Sounds like it's coming from the rack.
The steering rack?
Yeah. What do you see?
Everything's good. Oh. Oh.
There's something.
There it is.
Yeah.
Fuck, I just changed
Here,
it.
I'm gonna turn the wheel a bit and see if it.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, I can see. Looks familiar.
Yeah.
Kind of looks loose. It is quite
Don't.
And I think it came with the ball joint.
Oh, okay.
This whole thing.
There you go.
here, changed it. Boom. So yeah, this one's scrappy. Look. Okay. Fix up.
Do you have that one at home? Is that one of the
No, I
ones?
think it was the lower.
Oh. Well, problem diagnosed. That was easy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Down here.
Hey, Jacob. This one here, okay. It's quite solid. This one's fucking loose. Clink, 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 clink.
Yeah. right, so we've diagnosed what we think the problems are with this thing, and we'll dig into that a bit more, but since Ianis is here,
Let's go!
we're gonna go show him the dirt track.
After you, mate. After you.
Yeah, well, since you're here and you've seen the track, now you gotta drive it.
Yeah.
Go, go, go. It's just like Forza, bro.
Too slow, lad. Too slow.
Yeah. Want us to bolt the seat to the floor like F1 style, so you're sitting way low? Well, I gotta get you outside shots, man. So you can say, that's me driving. You got a lot of inside shots, and they suck. Whichever way you want.
How you like that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Keep going.
Okay.
Okay, I guess the car dropped out on us again, just like it happened to Steve.
Whoop, 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 whoop.
Let it sit a minute. It did that to Steve last week too.
She's good. Yeah.
You're pretty good at that.
This is great.
You like it? Yeah.
Look at that. That's what we want. I love it, man. This track is awesome. Awesome. Awesome.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Gotta find a name for this spot.
Awesome. Slow laps. No slow laps. Just pedal to the metal, guys.
Knows what he's doing.
Simple.
Let it live a bit.
Before she dies.
Oh, it's still doing it?
Yeah. See, look.
Oh, that's weird. Oh, Ianis broke the car.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah. I'm worried about turning it off because the battery's dead.
Yeah, if you want, we can bring her back. Let's try it on the street.
Still boop, boop, boop.
Should get some debris. I don't know. Metal rods.
To mark the corner?
Yeah.
Yeah. We got a pretty decent collection of tires, actually.
Tires is good.
Yeah. I've got like tractor tires and four-wheeler tires and stuff too.
All the tires.
Yeah. Vacuum run. All it was it reset the battery?
Yeah, we just reset battery because Honda, you know.
Honda, it's like Tonka, I guess. Back at it, we're going back to the track.
We're gonna give her a lap of slow motion to cool off.
That's what they say. Don't text and drive. Very dangerous. Take two. Guys, this is great. This is great. Gotta tell you.
It's good.
This is amazing. It's about to go down. Give it a couple months.
Yeah. So how you like it, bro?
Crazy. It's amazing. I haven't done this ever. Like on a dirt track, it's my first time. And it's for sure not my last one, guys. Let me tell you.
Yeah. You gotta hold it like halfway. Don't put it to auto because it does a jammed up weird shit. Yeah. Good job, car. And pop the hood, please, sir.
Yes, sir.
This time we're gonna disconnect what? Oh, there we go. It's good enough. So this time we're gonna disconnect the battery because it has a weird thing where the radio comes off and on. Remember last video, it showed you that it started working? Well, it comes off and on now and kills the battery. Oh, too far, camera shut. Oh, let it cool down a bit. Look how sturdy that thing is. And then we'll pull the battery, let her sit for the night. Good?
She's good. She's still alive. That's all that matters. Honda, baby. Look at that. Honda, baby. K-Series. Best engine.
So, we reset the odometer when we first started racing in the dirt. Check that out right there. We've done 73.2 kilometers in the dirt so far.
By the tranny on all